Samsung Galaxy Note 10 needs to pack a punch to get the phone series back in the limelight, and we have already started getting many Galaxy Note 10 leaks and rumors. In 2019, we are expecting Samsung to continue its legacy with the Galaxy Note 10. From the latest news, rumors and renders, here is everything you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Excited? So let's get started. Let's start with the design. Unlike the S10 range, the Note 10 looks to be setting a symmetrical design by placing the camera in the top center of the display. According to a Twitter leak, both the Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro will have a single front-facing camera. This render is apparently close to how the real thing will look. Previously, this leak offered a look at the Note 10, complete with a centered selfie camera and a vertically stacked triple lens camera setup around the back. According to a report, the standard Galaxy Note 10 will feature a massive 6.66-inch display, which would make the phone displays far larger than the current Galaxy Note 9. There is a good reason the display will be so big. The device will likely offer an edge-to-edge design, meaning that the screen-to-body ratio is much higher than previous Galaxy phones, and that will allow the phone to offer a bigger display while retaining the similar sized body. Now talking about these specifications, a recent leak claims the Note 10 will feature the as yet unannounced Exynos 9825. There is no news on what benefits this second half step forward chip will bring, but it's bound to be a little faster. One decent guess is that the Note 10's Exynos 9825 will be built to the 7nm process that's being used in the Apple's A12 Bionic, Kirin 980 and the Snapdragon 855 chipset. Tipster Ice Universe has claimed that the Pro version of the Note 10 will pack a 4500 mAh capacity battery, and Dutch publication Galaxy Club spotted a submission to the South Korean Testing Institute that suggests the standard Note 10 will have a 4170 mAh of battery. That's of course smaller than the one within the Galaxy S10 5G. However, it'd still be larger than the 4100 mAh battery within the Galaxy S10 Plus and 4000 mAh battery in the Note 9. Also, at least one variant of the Note 10 will apparently offer a staggering 50W fast charging, matching that of Oppo's SuperVOOC technology and trumping OnePlus's 30W warp charge, as well as Huawei's 40W supercharged technologies in the process. Samsung could try to top its Galaxy model with a Galaxy Note 10 that offers not 3 but 4 cameras on the rear. That would match a feature Huawei just announced with the flagship P30 Pro. According to Sam Mobile, the quad camera setup would pave the way for Samsung offers a standard camera, a telephoto lens like the 5x optical zoom lens Samsung is just putting into production, and an ultra-wide snapper like the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. It's unclear what the fourth camera would offer, but it could be similar to the rear-facing depth sensor Samsung has bundled with the Galaxy S10 5G. Also, a new Ice Universe tweet has recently changed people's views on how the camera will laid out to be. They tweeted out an image of what was claimed to be the Note 10's rear sensor, plus an illustration to show how these indicates that the camera will be split across two sections. The main zoom and wide lenses on one side and the flash, time of flight camera and flood illuminator on the other. When it comes to release date and pricing, the Galaxy series is usually released towards the end of the summer. As per Korean news outlet ET News, the Galaxy Note 10 could be coming out way on 10th of August, which falls in the line with earlier Note series launches by the company. As a matter of fact, the Galaxy Note 9 was announced on 9th August last year at the Galaxy Unpacked event, so this date could more or less be true. Beside the build and specification, a report by Russian publication also claims to have got an idea about how much the new headset will cost. The Galaxy Note 10 will set you back between $1100 to $1200. That's between 75,000 to 85,000 Indian rupees when converted. Samsung is widely expected to introduce two Galaxy Note 10 models this year, Galaxy Note 10e and the Galaxy Note 10 Pro. So guys, are you excited for this new Galaxy Note 10 lineup? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.